Abdominal skin is sensitive, irritated, and thin, so we should not listen to the cut or salt to remove the skin. Today, Proyuoch Beauty Life channel has a special natural formula I want to share with you all. Ensure that by using this formula, your skin will be clean, remove dark spots and skin rashes, and will brighten your skin in just 15 minutes. First, we must have the main ingredients such as sugarcane, lemon, honey, milk, and grass mass. 1. Cane sugar contains soluble particles that do not make our skin red when massaged, but it make our skin soft and smooth immediately after massage. 2. Lemon contains a special substance that helps to get rid of dark skin and is rich in vitamin C, which helps our skin to glow naturally. 3. Honey makes our skin soft, smooth, moisturized, and radiant. 4. Milk helps keep skin clean and moisturized from the inside out. The 5 herbal mask helps absorb toxins and dirt on the skin well, especially helps to shrink pores. Not only our grass mask can be used anywhere on the body, especially in dark skin. Strong, such as kidneys, armpits, neck, skin, abdomen, etc. Step 1. Take 2 canes of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 3 teaspoons of honey, then mix these 3 ingredients and apply this mixture on the abdomen and massage gently with a few drops of water to make it easier to massage. Keep massaging for 5 minutes, then rinse. Step 2. Take 5 teaspoons of grass flowers mixed with 3 teaspoons of milk, mix well, and keep it for 5 minutes. Then apply it on the abdomen for 15 to 25 minutes. You will see the results of the skin, white, smooth have been since the first use of this formula. You can do this formula 2 to 3 times if your skin is very dark.
The benefits of using our grass flower mask. Recipe: a cost-effective natural beauty solution. In a world where beauty products are increasingly expensive and often loaded with synthetic chemicals, finding a natural, effective, and affordable alternative can feel like discovering a hidden treasure. Our grass flower mask recipe is one such treasure. It's a simple, natural, and cost-effective skincare solution that can be easily made at home without breaking the bank. This DIY mask harnesses the power of grass flowers and other natural ingredients to rejuvenate, nourish, and enhance your skin's natural beauty.